Okay. All right. I came across this story today morning, and I thought I must first thing do is share it with the class and ask your thoughts about this. What would you do if you were in that place of that particular character? What do you think about the whole judgment or the story? What do you feel, as in emotionally, how do you feel about it? I want to understand about all these things. Okay. Okay, few of you are going in and out of network. जो भी network में है, I'm going to start the conversation. Whoever is out of the network, you can come back and see the video taping of this. Okay, I'm recording this session. Everyone ready? Sit straight, bachas. Sit straight. Okay, I will keep your mics on mute so we are not, oh god, again off network. Anyways, he'll come back. Okay, everybody will come back, no worries, we have this recording. So I'm going to read out the story now. I'm going to keep your mics on silent so you can clearly focus on only my voice. Okay, so the other noises are not disturbing. Shall I start? Okay. Now, there was a 15-year-old boy in America. He was caught stealing from a store. On trying to escape from the hold of the guard, a shelf of the store was also broken. The judge heard the crime and asked the boy, "Did you really steal something? A packet of bread and cheese?" The boy responded by looking down and said yes. Judge asked, "Why?" The boy said, "I needed it." The judge asked, "You could have bought it, right?" Suvan, are you paying attention? Sit straight then. The boy said, "I had no money." The judge said, "You should have taken money from the family." The boy said, "I only have a mother in the house. She is sick. She doesn't have a job. Bread and cheese were stolen because of this reason." The judge asked, "You don't do anything?" The boy said, "I used to wash a car. When I took one day off to take care of my sick mother, I was fired from the job." The judge said, "You did not ask someone for help?" The boy said, "I had left the house in the morning and I went about asking 50 people for some job. And in the end, when I did not get any, I had to take the step of stealing." When the arguments ended, the judge began to pronounce the verdict. You know what's a verdict, right? That the judge announces, "Ye final statement hai mera," types. Okay. The judge announced the verdict. The theft, and especially the theft of bread, is a very shameful crime. And we are all responsible for this crime. Every person in the court, including me, the judge, is a reason. So every person present in the court today is fined $10. No one can get out of this room without giving $10. Saying this, the judge took out $10 from his pocket and picked up the pen and started writing. In addition to charging $10 to everybody sitting here, including myself, I fine the store $1,000 for handing over a hungry child to the police. If penalty is not deposited within 24 hours, the court will order to seal the store. By giving the full amount of fine to this boy, The court asked for forgiveness from that boy. After hearing the verdict, tears were pouring from the eyes of people present in the court. That boy's hiccups were also tied. The boy was watching the judge again and again, who came out hiding his tears. Our society symptoms, are our society, systems, and courts ready for such a decision? I'm asking you, children. Our society, our systems, and our courts, are they ready for such a decision? You all know Chanakya, right? We just learned about him in history. Chanakya had said that if a hungry person is caught stealing bread, then the people of that country should be ashamed. Vihan, please pay attention. You're lost somewhere. Chanakya had said that if a hungry person is caught stealing bread, then the people of that country should be ashamed. This is really a beautiful story. I came across this story today morning, and the first thing that came to my mind was I have to share this with the class. So I'm going to open mic for everybody, and whoever wants to talk will raise their hand and wait their turn. It is important that we listen to every person's thought. Okay, so Ranveer raised his hand first. Yes, Ranveer, tell me, what do you want to share?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that why is it a shame when someone steals bread from a country?
Okay, why would you steal food?
Ma'am, because we don't have money and we are dying of hunger.
You're dying of hunger, you don't have money. Okay, if you don't have money, what do you think you should do?
Ask people, but that's what he did. No one helped
Ask
him.
people for what? Ask people for money, or ask people for a job so I can earn money?
Job. I
Job.
can
Okay,
earn money.
so if I don't get a job, then what will I do?
Ask people that can you please buy me these two things.
Okay, so even if I
And if
ask
they
people
agree,
to
it's
buy
good.
me
If they
some things,
don't,
can I do that every day? Can I ask people every day to keep buying me some things?
not every day.
Not every day. Right. So if I've been trying for many days and I've still not got a job, what will I do? अब क्या है ना बच्चा कि पेट में जब भूख लगती है ना तो बहुत तेज आग लगता है पेट में. Think about it that way and now come up with a thought, answer. What will you do?
What to
Your
keep
question
drinking?
was, why should the country be blamed? Now I'm going to get you to that answer. Now you tell me, if you're feeling hungry, what will you do?
Ma'am, if you steal from the store, the store will very fast get khali, na?
तो है,
Then people
स्टोर से
will
स्टील
be
करोगे तो स्टोर खाली ही हो जाएगा. बट वो स्टोर कीपर क्या करे? वो भी तो
and the
पैसा
store,
डाल के वो सामान खरीदता है ना.
then the country very fast will have not much money. And what will happen is that the store also will get very messy because things are breaking and all the packets are falling and bursting.
Okay. Uh, all right. Do you think when someone is hungry and they're looking around for food, they actually want to bother whether they are messing up a place or not? ऐसा कुछ फर्क पड़ता है क्या?
No, they don't feel like they just want to have food.
Okay. All right. Now the next thing that I want to ask you is,
Ma'am, you should go to someone's house and knock on the door, keep knocking and keep on trying in different houses who lets you eat food.
that's what I'm asking,
But you
Ranveer, will
can't do
that
that
be
every
possible
day.
every day? Do you eat only once in a day? You eat at least twice or thrice in a day, right? Can you go to people's house twice or thrice in a day and keep asking for food? And can you do this every day? No. All right. So now let me ask you another question. Let me ask you something. Okay. The thing is, I am earning for myself. Okay. If I'm not able to earn for myself, I have to find different ways. I have to put all the efforts possible to see what I can do to earn for myself, right? And if I'm still not able to do, where will I go? मैं किसके पास जाऊं?
Ma'am, to the country's judge or someone like that and ask that, look, I have actually tried like 100 and 200 times. I want a job and I'm
The
asking
judge, listen,
people,
the
but
judge
people
will
are,
only come. The judge will only come when the police has taken the person to call for a judgment. You cannot walk up to a judge and say, give me a job. If you need a job, Subhan is raising his hand. Yes, Subhan, you can answer this question of mine. If you need a job and you're not getting one, who is the person you will look to approach for a job?
your parents maybe.
Yeah, at your level, I'm sure you will think of parents.
To call
Sorry, what? Please repeat.
government. Ma'am, we can say to government that we.
Yes, Subhan got the answer. You will walk up to the government.
Ma'am, but the police has to take that now first.
Police is only around to take care of law and order. Police will be around कि अगर country ने बोला है कि ये करना चाहिए ये नहीं करना चाहिए उस rules को police follow करेगी. Police is not going to give you a job. Okay, the police department in general is not going to give you a job. Ranveer, your question, I'm still coming back to it. Your question is, why should the government be shamed if a person is not having a job? Now let's go back to a rule where there were kings and queens and there was a whole praja. You all have watched Bahubali many times. Why I pick up this relevance is because you watched it as a movie. So जब audio visual में देखते हैं तो ज़्यादा रहता है दिमाग में, right? Now you remember in Bahubali Part 2, when he was removed from the kingdom, do you remember he used to sit around and see that people are facing a problem and he would start coming up with solutions for that?
Yes, help
Remember?
people.
Yes,
I know. So who was he? He was basically a leader, right? Right?
Ma'am, he
So,
was a wise.
Ranveer, 1 minute. 1 minute. My talking time now. Okay. Now he is basically a leader. So as a leader, what will the rest of the people do? Common people क्या करेंगे? Common people will look up to the leader, and if they have a problem, they will say it to the leader. The leader is supposed to come up with a solution, right? So in those days, there used to be kings and queens and what Raj Mata and Bahubali and all those people. They took care of their praja, right? Yes? Yes or no? You saw that. You saw that in the movie, right? That they are making life easier and simpler for their own people, for the people of the kingdom. Now, today, do we have kings and queens?
No.
So, what do we have today instead of kings and queens?
Government.
So now local praja किसके पास जाएगी?
Government.
Okay. So अगर गवर्नमेंट ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, गवर्नमेंट पूरे चीज को रूल करता है, पूरे जगह को संभालता है, तो अगर हमें प्रॉब्लम है तो हम किसके पास जाएंगे? गवर्नमेंट. तो अगर, now let me go back to the king and queen's rules. Okay, in Bahubali's government, in Bahubali's praja, if somebody was unhappy, okay, if somebody was unhappy, who does it directly affect?
Bahubali.
It affected the king, right? Because king को लगा, अरे मेरे रहते हुए मेरी प्रजा को प्रॉब्लम है, right? ऐसे लगा ना उसको? Yes or no? मेरे रहते हुए मेरे प्रजा को प्रॉब्लम कैसे हो सकता है? तो राजा को शेमफुल लगा, right? Subhan, why are you looking down and sitting? Please sit straight, बच्चा. या सो अगर उसके राज्य में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो किसको लगता है कि उसे सॉल्व करना चाहिए? किंग,
King.
राजा।
राजा को। नाउ अगर उसके राज्य में कोई भूखा है,
कोई
भूखा है, समवन्स हंग्री, तो वो किसका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाता है?
राजा.
आज डेमोक्रेसी
King.
में, यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी, आज डेमोक्रेसी में अगर हमारे कंट्री में कोई भूखा है, किसी के पास खाने को खाना नहीं है, तो उसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Who is supposed to feel bad about it? All of us as
Government.
commoners, all of us as citizens will feel bad. But who is going to be really affected and, who is going to feel the pinch? The government.
Government.
The government is going to wonder, Are, is my country so bad that even people in my country cannot have food? Food is basic. We saw that in Green Revolution, right? Remember? Can you connect the dots? We saw that in Green Revolution that food is basic, and that is why the entire act of Green Revolution came up, correct? Right? And it took 50 years to make sure that everybody is getting sufficient food. Isn't it? Yes or no? So अभी अगर किसी भी कंट्री में कोई भूखा है तो किसको शर्म करना चाहिए?
Government.
That is how it works. Right?
Ma'am, I was
Now,
just thinking only of that boy can just go and do Green Revolution.
you think one person, one child alone can do Green Revolution?
No. I'm not saying that. There'll be many people over there also, no, doing it.
Ranveer, I don't think you're really getting the point. He's a child. The child is supposed to stay with his parents or go around looking for food. Now he's living with a sick mother. What is he supposed to do? Take care of his mother? कि बाहर जाके काम करे, वो छोटा लड़का है, वो क्या करेगा? Now my question to you is, do you think that the judgment passed by the judge was good? Was it correct? What do you feel about it?
Awesome it was.
Okay, Subhan,
Ma'am,
what
he
do you
at
say?
least
Yes, Ranveer, continue. Ranveer, continue. Subhan is having
Ma'am.
network issues. Continue.
Ma'am, he at least got $10 from everyone who was in that place.
Okay.
Who were in that place.
Subhan, you tell me, what do you think about the judge's decision?
It was very, very awesome because of this poor child, he can't feed to his mother, and if she felt more sick, then she could die, and he would stay alone.
Okay, all right.
So I think judge cried. I think judge also cried and gave money after listening his story.
Yes. Okay. Now one more question I have is, how do you feel if you were that child? What would be your feeling if you were that child? Yes, Ranveer, tell me.
I would cry.
I would be starving all day.
Okay, you would be starving. Okay. Subhan, what do you feel if you were the child? Wait, Vihan, I'm coming to you.
I would cry a lot if 24 hours.
You would cry a lot. Okay. You would cry a lot. All right. Now, Vihan, what would you feel if you were the child?
When I be a child, I should take care of people.
No, Vihan, I'm asking you that if you were a child in this entire drama that I just explained, how would you feel?
I will be anxious.
Okay. So, Ranveer, now the next question to you is, if you are this child who has now heard this judgment, how would you feel about that now?
Ma'am, I would feel very kind of the judge because he gave me money at least to take care of the sick mother and buy some food.
Okay. Subhan, what about you? If you were the child, after you heard the judgment, how would you feel?
I would be happy that I would hug everyone in that court.
Okay. All right, all right. Cool. So children, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this entire passage to you. Okay. I'm going to send this story. I want you all to read it once again. Okay. I want you all to read the story once again. Share the story with your family. All right. I'll send the story to you. Read the story once again. Share the story with your family and discuss the story with your family. Okay. Is that okay? Is that possible?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. This was a nice story. Nice story, you know. See, even if you are a judge, there is a different perspective of doing things. जज को हमेशा तुम सही हो तुम गलत हो ऐसे बोलना जरूरी नहीं है पर जज को ये भी सोचना है कि आगे चल के हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कैसे करने हैं क्लास इज योर चिल्ड्रन जज को ये भी सोचना है कि आगे चल के हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट्स कैसे करने हैं राइट दैट इज द वेरी बिग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ जज all right now on that note I'm also going to give you homework a home assignment on life skill class research and come up with roles and duties of a judge okay all right research and come up with roles and responsibilities of a judge ठीक है possible हो सकता है hello class is there possible
Yes,
हो सकता है
yes,
Yes.
yes.
yes sure chalo on that note let's take a break wash your hands eat your snacks wash your hands eat your snacks